Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to skincare, makeup, mid-size fashion, lifestyle, but I also talk about nails. So I am a Hello Love fanatic. So basically what that means is I partner with Hello Love, which is a luxury press-on nail company. And I talk about their products. Like, look at these fabulous Halloween nails. That is not what this video is going to be about, but we are just we are just ending the holiday season. Our fall line just all launched. So I have all my videos that I previously did of the Hello Love fall launch. I think I did a playlist or something like that. So you can check those out. This is my fun one just for Halloween, but I'm really excited because we are launching our winter line. You guys, I was so excited about the fall launch, but when I saw the winter launch, I was like, these are literally my favorite nails ever. I cannot pick a favorite. Every time I go and I'm like, okay, I think I like this one and this one's my favorite. I'm like, no, but I like this one too. There's literally no favorite. Every single week, there are just awesome nail colors that we're going to be launching. I think it goes all the way through December or January. I can't remember. It's like 10 or 12 weeks. Time is just weird for me. But what I'm do is I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the fall launch is I'm going to be coming on here every Thursday when we do the launch, and I'm going to be showcasing the nails so that you guys can see it. And then I will put all the nails down below that you can shop, and then hit me up if you have any questions. So this is my mani now. I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a new mani and whatever, but I'm putting this up before, or I'm filming this before the actual launch because, you know, time is crazy, all that stuff, and I've got some time. So I'm going to try to pre-do some videos so I have them ready to launch. But, okay, so first, week one, this is a launch on November the 2nd. There's going to be 3 full sets that are launching and 1 accent pack, and I'll kind of talk through them. But there's a surprise, and I'm so very excited about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first one, full set that's going to be launching is this color right here. And like I did for my fall launch, I will take pictures of everything and put it here. But this is the color, How About Sex? So one thing that they have changed this go around is there used to be instructions on the back right here. They have put the description, and these descriptions are just cute little things. This is going to be so it's all about 1923, or I think it's all 1920s maybe. Yeah, or 1923. Yeah, 1923 collection. But all on the back, you're gonna have this like cute little stuff of where they came up with the nails and just a little bit about 1923 if you're interested in it. And then they're gonna have this QR code right here. Here, this is where you're gonna get in-depth instructions. But with every package that you get, with every order that you get, you're gonna get a card that has each of the different numbers, and it's gonna take you through how to put the nails on, but also take them off. So you don't necessarily need this QR code. But this is pretty much the only thing that's changing in the packaging. But this is the first color. It is matte. Let me open it up so we can talk through a little bit about the nail, but I wanna talk through just as a reminder of what you get with each pack. So it's gonna come into these 2 sections here. Every single nail is going to be sectioned off. What I love about this is with some other press-on nails, you get like it all together, and then you have to kind of warp through. And I'll be honest with you guys, it is challenging to see some of the numbers. Personally, for me, I have to put my glasses on and really try to look at them. What I love about this is the little card that you're going to get with each of the order is going to tell you exactly what numbers you are, but then also as you kind of do your nails more and more, you're gonna remember just by the size of what you are. So like this one I know is my pinky, this one is my ring finger, this one is my middle finger, and then whatever these, I can't because it's back for whatever, but you just know which ones you are. So that's what I like about it, kind of compared to some of the other press-on companies, is you don't have to go through the nails and try to figure out the sizes. They're all gonna come like this. It's super organized. But it's going to be 2 different layers here, and they are all the same sizes, so you know. And then it's going to come with a nail buffer. It's gonna come with the glue, and then it's gonna come with an orange stick. So literally everything that you need. The only thing that I recommend in addition to that you add to your order is the nail dehydrator. So I will do videos on nail prepping and all that stuff. Every time I do a video, my dogs always like just annoy the crap out of me. They're like little kids. But anyways, what I always recommend is with every order, not with every order, but that your first order, you order the nail dehydrator. I have like a hair that's driving me insane. But the nail dehydrator is going to really help with prep. So this is the only thing, you have everything that you need in here, but this is just a super recommended thing that you order that I suggest. It's $10, it retails for $10, but this bottle, like I do my nails pretty much every single week, and most of the time I do them like a couple times a week because I use the nail tabs and I like to switch them out. I have been using that exclusively for like 4 months. This is how much I've used. So for you, because you're not a fanatic, you're probably not going to be doing your nails as much as me. This thing will last you forever. So $10 is a really good price, but I always recommend that. But everything else that you need is going to be in that collection or in the box. So again, this is the nail. It's got this really, really pretty matte finish to it. It is dimensional and it almost looks like velvet, to be completely honest with you. It is very, very soft, but it has like this velvety look. Super, super gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So I'm really, really excited about this. And this nail is on trend. If you go through like winter 2023 nail ideas, this is definitely going to be a color that's going to come up. So you're going to be able to be on trend if you care about that, but also just get a fabulous color. And I just love this for Christmas time and the holidays. Okay, so the next color that is launching is this color right here that is called the Beige Ablaze. So this is going to be a shiny color, almost like a glazed donut-y. Like it's not just a regular shine. It's not like, okay, it's shiny. It's like shiny. So I really, really like it. It's just a really pretty color. I mean, these, like, I can't tell you which one I like better. But this is what it looks like here. And again, it's got almost dimension to it because it is very glazy, shiny, perfectly on trend. And what I like about it is you can definitely mix these two together. Like even though they're not the same tone, you can, do that shiny glazed look with the matte. I think they would look really, really good together. But just really, really unique, glazed, chromy, almost chromy looking a little bit because of how shiny it is. So I don't know if it's chrome or it's glazed donut. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is, but I would say it's not mirrory like a chrome. Like so a lot of times with the chromes, like this is a chrome right here. So I wouldn't say it's a chrome finish, but I would definitely say it is a kind of that glazed donut, very, very shiny finish. So the next thing that is launching is kind of a surprise, and it is going to be a new nail shape. It is coming out in the color, the Beige Ablaze, but it is called Squoffin. So it is not oval, it's not square, it's just kind of this, not even a coffin-y, but a very, very kind of unique shape. And it is unique to Hello Love. So no other press-on nail company has this shape. You will only get the shape here at Hello Love, and it's just fabulous. So this is what it looks like here, and obviously on my hand it will be a little bit better. So you still got that chrome kind of finish or whatever, but for us girls who, like, I prefer the shorter nails on a day-to-day basis. That is what I normally gravitate to, this kind of length, because I got crazy, like I'm doing stuff, I'm cleaning, I'm doing all the things. I clean my own car, I do all the stuff. But there's time from time to time that I do want a longer nail. And so I love this option. And especially going to the holiday season where we're gonna have holiday parties and all this stuff, this is going to be a really, really pretty on-trend nail color and nail shape that's just a little bit more elegant than the shorter one. So I absolutely love it. I'm very, very excited. And would love to know your guys' thoughts if you pick it up, what you think about it. The other thing that I wanted to say about this shape is a lot of times with these nail shapes where they kind of divot in, like the coffin or the oval, you'll have, especially because I have a little bit wider nail beds, I'll have like a little bit of my nail that peeks through, and sometimes I have to like trim it down or trim it to fit the nails. One thing that Hello Love did with this one is they made the extension go longer. So you'll be able to wear this without having your nails kind of peek through or like you won't be able to see it on the side is basically what I'm saying. Hopefully it's making sense. Really, really excited about that. I cannot wait to wear that. So the last nail that is launching in this week's nail thing is the accent pack. And this is called Not Your Guy or Not Our Guy. So this, I can't remember what these sweaters are called. I can't remember, but you guys know what it is. Absolutely super, super cute. You can definitely mix this with the Ablaze one or this one right here. But again, I talked about it before. What I love about Hella Love is their color intentionality. So these colors actually match perfectly with some colors that we already have in our collection. So the darker color is going to be this color, Welcome to Denver. The kind of lighter red is going to be Shut Up Richard. And then this background color right here is going to be Hello Dolly Dolly. So you're going to be able to create a custom, perfectly matched mix mani if that's your vibe, or you can just take one of these colors and then mix it and you're going to be perfectly matched. So that is one thing that I love about Hella Love is I don't have time. Like I look at this and I'll be like, I don't know what colors it is and when it matches. We figure it out for you. So any one of these threes will work, but you could also match these as well. Obviously I wouldn't match the two different shapes, but at the end of the day, you do you. But these will, I think, would match just fine. But the three that I just showed, which I'll link down below, match perfectly with this. So I'm just really excited. These are really, really cute, perfect for the holidays, and just kind of getting into more of that vibey, like that, more of that kind of transition into fall. So even though this doesn't scream like Christmas, it does scream fall, and it's like that perfect transition as the weather is slowly changing. Well, talking about the Shut Up Richard and Welcome to Denver. So this is Welcome to Denver and this is Shut Up Richard. And so there's definitely a difference when you hold them together, but these are also really, really good staple fall colors. So if you're looking for more of that vampy vibe, more like true fall, these two are going to be a perfect option for you. Even if you don't end up getting the accent pack, maybe it's a little bit too much for you. These are definitely really, really good staple fall colors that I would recommend. And I'll be honest, like I don't normally gravitate towards these colors, but when I tried them on, I was like, okay, these are perfect. I love them. So I would recommend these if you're into that vampy vibe, or maybe you've never tried it before and you want to try it out. These two are really, really perfect to get that kind of fall vibe. So that is it for week one. I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But like I said, I'll be doing this every single Thursday, talking through the nails, walking you through them, showing them up on the screen so you can see them. But stick with me every Thursday. And if you guys have any questions, if you need suggestions, if you're not sure, if you're struggling with putting them on, or you need me to walk through it, I am here to help you out in whatever way I can. I will leave all my info below, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.